Hi, welcome back. Last time you saw me, I was doing my buns, putting them in the oven. They're now out and slightly cool. So I have two buns. This size you may see for a small family. This is a small bun, and then we may have the larger one. If you're making it, make the larger one or buy the larger one because everybody will love it. So I've already gone ahead and sliced off the end of my bun, the bun back as we call it. I'm just now going to, some people love the bun back. I'm not such a great fan of it. Slicing my bun now. Now buns come in different textures and Jamaicans have their favorite, which they know by brand because many of the commercial bakeries sell bun at this time of year. But doesn't matter, you buy whether you like a dry bun, a sweet bun, a moist bun. Everybody has their preference. Here's what is very important: bun and cheese. I know, sounds weird, eh? Because the bun is sweet and the cheese is savory, but that's how we eat it, and not just any cheese. If you want to be truly Jamaican, you want tin cheese. And why is it called tin cheese? Upside down. Why is it called tin cheese? Because it comes in a tin. All right, so this is actually from New Zealand, I believe. So like many Jamaican things, it's important to slice off a slice of cheese, and you put it on if you want to be a proper Jamaican. Or what the heck, let's go for it. Slice off 2 slices of cheese, and we'll put on our bun and our cheese. It's as simple as that. And then you know what comes next: eat it. So the cheese is salty, the bun is sweet. This is heaven. So guys, go ahead, try your bun and cheese for Easter. Any cheese will do if you don't have this cheese. Look up a recipe online and you can inbox me for one if you can't find one you like online. Till we meet again, happy Easter, stay safe.